let's just unpack on news galore for days. Hayibo guys, nangu phela uThando. Remember guys, I did report about uThando noSiyacela, uSiyacela ebhizi ihlukumeza uThando, ebukisa ngayo ku-TV, you know. Because I'm just like, ayibona uThando guys, esebhala izinto ko-Facebook, basically nje on social media. USisters usethi ene nizosondla yini njengoba nibhizinisi funa siqoshe kumotsha lapha nenzani. I was just like, our guys, after uthole so much support from people, this is who you are now towards us. Hey, Sisi, are you like serious right now? Abantu ke like asisazike. But I also thought, ukuthi you know what, sometimes as guys, yabo lento le lento kuba unazo ukuhlala in a relationship ubone ukuthi akusekho right. People will tell you, friends will tell you, your family will tell you ukuthi ayibophuma lapho wena. But yazi ukuthi it takes a long time and it takes you to come out. I think ukulapho. She's on the tip. uThando. Usiyacela emenze into ekanjena guys. Ebukisa ngaye emshaya emenza all sorts of things. I'm like, so you uzosondla yini? Nizosondla. Ngeni zenisondle. So now, what are you saying? This is my man. Umuntu wami lo. Nikhuluma ngani? I was like, guys, I'm done anyways, but inzima lezi zinto ezikanje. Nokubona because I think le yanto ukuthi nizosondla na came from ukuthi iBCC SA was going to cancel the show. Abantu bese bebhalele bethi nje awungeke phela size sibukane nabantu beshayana thina TV. Thina we want things that are going to build the society. This whole thing now that's going on there on Isencane Lingani, those are crazy things now. That's not what we signed up for. Waphela abantu bakhokha ukubukela imotsha lava abavele nje bavuka ekuseni. Ukubona babukele nje for free. Kuyabhadalwa lapho. So ayikho into free. So I'm just like, hey, Sisi, guys, I don't know what to take on her. That mean ngifila ukuthi angisasa. Uvele nje angaboni uThando, angazi. And then at some stage naye imotsha lava came up with stories ukuthi I know uyahamba ama-psychologist, and then is that enough? Nama-therapist and things. It's just like, guys, it's too much. Ngapha u-Anelisiwe Ntshangane yakhumbula ukuthi angithi she's divorcing and she's the one who actually went into social media. I mean, she's in social media more than the husband. But the husband naye ubhizi waphuthi. She went, sisters, into social media to say, I know we came to an agreement. No, we actually amicably divorcing. It's over. We're done. Guys, I'm just like, wow. After such a beautiful wedding, guys. But like, some things in life, really, you can't control beautiful wedding or not. Because kuzobamba umuntu ngentambo uthweni hlala endlini, don't move. Ngoba allegedly indoda iwufebelini. Bathi yafebe indoda to a point where akwazi ukuzibamba ubrothers. But he goes as far as Instagram and says, is there anyone out there? Cabanga guys, who even does that? Is there anyone out there who wants to go with me to Madrid, in Spain? Obviously, I mean, ukhuluma nabantu besifazane, you know, those people who are just like always going with people that they don't even know. What kind of a life is that life? Abhale lezo zinto ey'kanjalo. Kanjani guys when your wife is in social media? When you've just given us a beautiful wedding, what must happen? What must we think? Wena futhi bathi it's just not the first thing that is done, but it does a lot of things, brothers. Nje basically ufebelini. Please underline with the rule. And then akacontroleki kuthiwa kade zanywa kuzanywa ukuba leyo nto, I know I'll stay in my marriage. Angangithe nje ngizohlala nawe for the rest of our lives. Anelisiwe was like, I know I'm done. Hayibo, nangumuntu kunini ngibekezele. Umuntu ebhizi efebe eshonali engazi ukuthi wenzani. Bathi ke those are his things ke ubrothers ibandla kabambeki. Sisters was just like, this is it. Goodbye. And I'm happy ukuthi she chose herself. But ubrothers okhona omunye ugirl wakhe, umakwapheni wakhe, wake wabhala naye ku-social media, and othi basi futhi ngathi wakwafonela no-sisters. She was saying things like, yakhumbula guys mina ngitheni kodwa ngendaba yokuba i-mistress. You live that life for wena. Uyaziwa nje ukuthi hayi loyana no, yaziwa ukuthi uyi-mistress and futhi akanankinga angaphuma kule relationship and become another mistress kanjalo kanjalo. Those things guys are not cool. Like I said ukuthi thina when we were growing up ama-mistresses ayishawa. Saswabona u-auntie bethu bavuthusa ama-mistresses uzibuza ukuthi hayibo why egijinyiswa lo eshawa enza, but yena that's the kind of life that she lives and into eyaziwayo. Ngeke guys, that's not cool. Let's work in so many ways. Like who even does that? And I've spoken about ama-mistresses about 3 weeks ago ukuthi wena uphila leyo mpilo. Kuyaziwa nje ukuthi sister nje umbona nje qo ngamaye. Hayi, that's the kind of life that she lives. Futhi akana shame. Usisi-ke nangoku lo munye ungena shame ke bathi wabhala nako social media washo nokuthi ngeke thina asinandaba thina umuntu uma ngabe ethi hlala ekhaya actually wena. Kade ingane. In fact, in actual fact, kade ingane. Look after your children. We're going to be busy with your men. Thina sihamba ama-hotel. The hotels are ours. Those are the things. And the trips, those are the things we deserve. Njengoba ubona nje with the Mommy Club, the stuff that has happened. About 2 women there at the Mommy Club, that's up. Then Happy Benovui. They are men passed on in cars with mistresses. Uyabona ukuthi kwase kwenze njani. And then bese ngapha uratile a month before the husband unalived himself. Wayehambe nosisi beye eParis. Sisters wayese busy la no auntie ka-auntie, wakhumbula ungathi auntie ka-auntie i-cousin of a cousin of a cousin ya Lehlohonolo indoda kaRatile. Yisakhuluma today basa neyithombe with the mistress. Guys, like why are we those people? When like even in 10 years time we can't remember usumkhumbula uRatile, but you be like, oh usho loyo wayephuma ku-Instagram wayeyi-mistress. That's how we remember you guys. Like mina ngifuni ujula kanjalo ngamane ngiyihlalele bangeke guys, those are crazy things. Usisi usaphuma no sisika Lehlohonolo on Instagram, but they having pajama parties. Uyi-mistress ka Lehlohonolo, late Lehlohonolo mabitsela. That's how you are called. Oh usholo, oh yes, they went 10 years ago with Lehlohonolo to Paris. Actually just before he unalived himself. Hayi ngeke guys, khona ezinye izinto awufuni ukwaziwa ngazo. Khona abanye kusisi bafuna ukwaziwa ngalezo zinto. U-Anelisiwe Ntshangane has had those problems to a point where manje abantu futhi sebeblame naye bathi hayi nawe ungathi uyinkosikazi ubugqoka nama-crop top. Guys, fanele ngibe ugogo-ke bese ngishadile ngiyacabanga. Guys, this can't be her problem. Ukuthi indoda was doing stuff. Why must she be blamed for things like that? It's funny how now mina I'm standing with Anelisiwe. I'm just like fanele nenzeni ambambe ngelokuzana ngentambo. Okay, guys, it doesn't work like that. Umuntu efuna ukuhamba aye everywhere. No girl la ngaphandle angeke into engayenza nalo muntu. So bathi omunye ugeli-ke njengoba ngisho-ke washo ku-mistress ukuthi listen, hlala endlini, thina we are the ones that actually deserve trips nomuntu wakho. So ngenza ayi guys, baningi nje abantu abaphilela ukubhidlizana nemizi yabantu. Fine-ke sokwaba khona ney'thembu and all of that, but I mean guys, we can't just really be supporting things ezikanjani. Those are work in another level. Mina nje for one, I don't believe in them. Those are crazy things. Hayi kabi. U-Aldrin-ke angithi uyamkhumbula. I-anchor le yase-Newsroom Africa. I think he's like one of my favorites. But after what he did, he's not my favorite. And like ngicela ukubuza ukuthi umuntu onjalo ngoba manje usaphika futhi ukuthi he did that. Naku eshayiswa u-sisters la ngemuva, who was trying to save and go on the other direction, ehambe ebalekele enye imoto. And then uyafika emva kwemoto ka-Aldrin uyashayisa. U-Aldrin comes out, u-sisters bathi wayesekhiphile umunwe ophakathi ethi, now here's the finger. So what must happen now? Aldrin waphuma wamsakaza ngempama. And then he shot at her The next thing usethi Aldrin no angaze ngize ngimshaya lo muntu ngoba he appeared in court. Sisters him called police on Aldrin. U-Aldrin waboshwa wavele court. Mayesevele court usethi Aldrin no, that video that you saw going around on social media, yes that's me, but mina I didn't shapa her usisters. Mese mshayile uthi yena akaze azamshaya. That video was actually edited. Yenziwa izinto yafakwa ukungathi ngimfakile impama. Ngaze ngimshaya mina lo muntu lo. But I'm like, hey, but I don't know how he felt at the time. But nje kuvelo manje usethathwa. Uyabona ukuthi iba kanjani life. I see him. Awuzwa ngithi mina is not my favorite anymore because I see him now as that person. Ushaya abantu besifazane. It's like please wena ushaya abantu besifazane on social media. Emgwaqeni. Yeah, unane road rage. Awukho right. Uyibona manje ukuthi kanjani. It's crazy stuff like that. That's how we know you. In 15 years, you're like, oh, ngeke usho leyo news room anchor. Uhlanya. Lasemgwaqeni. You see, crazy things like that, guys. I can't. Bese kuzoba uDJ Curry. Remember, he was helping the 3 cyclists laba abacycle around South Africa. Let's just put it that way, right? Beautiful boys, like them, like the cause of what they were trying to achieve. And then they got money. I said last week, I was just like, you know what, Laba, they all know what to do with the money. So many donations. And then it turns out, uDJ Curry leo mali went into his account. As the last 30,000 he took out him. Banikeza 10,000 each, all 3 of them, and distributed it among them. And then the next thing yena usentshontshe imali, untshontshe nini imali azange azantshontshe imali kamuntu yena. Kena litshele taka. Ukhuluma kanje phela uDJ Curry. Na kena litshele taka. So now what are people talking about? So he's being accused of swindling the boys their money. Guys, it's going around the thing. He going to say about it will go around, right? For months and years about you and be like, oh my gosh, so it's going around ke ukuthi ke uthathe imali ubrothers yezingane zabantu uyayidla ngoba ifaka accountini yakhe. But I'm just thinking it's actually not that hard to take it because mhlambe uzofaka 100,000 uconzula nje mina noma u10. Who's gonna know? Uyabona la because it's a lot of people. Now she is saying ukuthi hayi uzokhipha yonke ama statements ini. I'm just like ngeke nawe uyasoleka. It looks like you did actually take this money. Yeah, allegedly. And uyena owayekhuluma uDJ Curry ukuthi whether u22 randa, u20 randa, you can put it on that foundation bank account. I'm like, foundation bank account? And then it turns out actually that account is his. Oh, so nje kuthiwa hayi ubrothers ngathi he's been chowing the money. So zoke sime lapho guys for now with nendaba zase South Africa because they always galo. Thank you so much guys for always supporting me in Thanda Over. Okay guys, I just wanted to add ukuthi Aldrin was actually suspended from News Africa. Bavele bamsuspenda guys because it's not clear what's going on. Because the stuff that we do sometimes as people, it's gonna have an impact. It's gonna have an impact later on. However, let's suspend our brothers.